Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Huawei MatePad Edge 2-in-1 is both a massive tablet and a powerful computer in one sleek package. This is the brand new Huawei MatePad Edge 2-in-1. Think about it. Have you ever wished for a device that's as light and portable as a tablet, something you can sketch, create, and play on, but also strong enough to handle full-on professional work like a real computer? And on top of that, imagine switching between the two modes instantly without breaking your workflow. It almost sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what the Huawei MatePad Edge 2-in-1 has turned into reality. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. This isn't just a minor hardware refresh, it's a complete redefinition of what a 2-in-1 device can be. Most traditional 2-in-1 machines fall into the same trap. They're either heavy and awkward to use as tablets or underpowered when you need them to act like a computer. They claim to be both, but in practice, you're forced to settle for one. The Huawei MatePad Edge 2-in-1 finally breaks this cycle. It blends computer, stand, and tablet forms into one seamless device. And this isn't just cosmetic. The real magic lies in its dual mode, dual ecosystem fusion built right into the core of the system. Thanks to the underlying capabilities of the MatePad OS, the MatePad Edge isn't just a tablet with a keyboard attached or some mix and match of Windows and mobile UI. Instead, it deeply integrates ecosystem resources, data, and user experience, backed by high performance to deliver the true best of both worlds. You can jump between computer mode and tablet mode instantly with a 4-finger swipe, a shortcut key, or a quick tap in the control center. No restarts, no delays, just a smooth hot switch. In computer mode, you get a full desktop-style experience using a keyboard and mouse. You can run apps like WPS Office, 3D Mark Pro, and even heavy professional tools like CAD. It also supports full multi-window multitasking. And what makes this special is that this is native performance and native UI, something you won't see on other tablet platforms. For example, even though the iPad Pro looks like a computer when paired with its keyboard, apps like 3D Mark still rely on iOS's touch-based logic, making keyboard and trackpad use incredibly clunky. Switch to tablet mode, and HarmonyOS shines in an entirely different way. The interface is designed for pure touch and handwriting, and the App Store gives you the full library of mobile apps you're used to. Social platforms, video apps, games, short-form content, note-taking tools, and more. For artists and creators, drawing on the MatePad Edge feels natural and fluid. Compare that with 2-in-1 Windows devices that technically offer tablet mode, but still use desktop-styled icons and windows that are a nightmare to control with your fingers. What's even more impressive is that both modes, the computer and the tablet, can run their respective apps smoothly and consistently. No awkward transitions, no fragmented experience. It's genuinely like having a tablet built for craftsmanship and a high-performance computer inside the same body. One device delivering double the capability. The MatePad Edge also pushes ahead in on-device AI. With a built-in system entry point, you can download mainstream AI models with one click and run them locally. Thanks to its high-performance NPU and powerful acceleration framework, third-party apps can call these AI models directly for fast, private, on-device inference and question answering. At the moment, no other tablet offers this level of local AI power. Of course, to run AI locally, you need serious performance, and this is where the MatePad Edge really surprises. For the first time ever, Huawei has equipped a tablet with dual fans. Yes, a tablet with 2 fans. It uses an ultra-thin dual-drive fan system along with dual VC heat dissipation plates, plus 4,000 air intake vents arranged in a new thermal structure. The high-end version even adds a micro-pump liquid cooling film that circulates hot and cold water inside the device to remove heat rapidly. All of this fits into a body that's just 6.85 millimeter thin, yet delivers an industry-leading 28-watt performance output for a 2-in-1 device. Even more impressive, this performance isn't limited to PC mode. In tablet mode, it also runs at full power. So whether you're editing 4K videos, playing PUBG Mobile, working on CAD drawings, or doing intensive illustration work, the MatePad Edge stays smooth, cool, and free from throttling. And even though the standard version doesn't include the micropump liquid cooling film, its heat management is still excellent, with stable performance that easily handles everyday needs. The 14.2-inch flexible OLED display on the Huawei MatePad Edge is a showstopper. With an impressive 94% screen-to-body ratio and the Yunshi Axis light screen design, the visual effect actually feels more dramatic than what you get on a typical 14-inch laptop. On top of that, it comes equipped with a 32-megapixel front camera for crystal clear video calls. The body is just 5.6 millimeters thick, with perfectly even 4.1 millimeters bezels all around. This is also the first camera to use CMOS floating packaging technology, making the front camera both compact and high-performing. The MatePad Edge pushes its display even further with a 3.1K resolution, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1,000 nits of peak brightness, keeping the screen bright and readable even under direct sunlight. Thanks to its 10-gram nanometer anti-glare design, reflections are significantly reduced, making writing, sketching, and reading feel as natural and comfortable as working on real paper. And when it comes to creativity, the Huawei M Pencil Pro is a major highlight. It wakes instantly, responds with extremely low latency, and delivers pinpoint accuracy, giving designers, students, and heavy note-takers a true paper-like experience. Paired with the new Starry Moon floating keyboard, the tablet transforms into a full laptop in seconds. The keyboard's 1.8mm key travel feels firm and responsive, offering laptop-level typing comfort, even when you're on the go. In stand mode, you can also use the Huawei Starry Moon portable keyboard to handle tasks quickly and efficiently wherever you are. Huawei has also taken the audio experience to new heights with the MatePad Edge. It features a high-low frequency crossover system, 6 built-in speakers, and even supports collaborative sound output with FreeClip 2 earbuds, creating an immersive 360-degree panoramic audio environment. With such rich sound paired with that stunning display, it feels like having a mini IMAX theater right in front of you. Your water level will always stay constant. I just don't want to drink too much and end up running to the bathroom. Aren't you worried you'll dry up? Jokes aside, the Huawei MatePad Edge HarmonyOS 2-in-1 isn't just a tablet attached to a keyboard. It succeeds because of the logic behind its entire design. Its form factor solves the long-standing compromise between portability and capability. Its powerful performance eliminates the trade-off between thinness and speed, and the HarmonyOS ecosystem bridges the gap between mobile and desktop environments, blending everything into one cohesive experience. The MatePad Edge also demonstrates just how capable HarmonyOS has become. With its distributed technology, the type of device almost stops mattering. Whether it's a tablet, a laptop, or a phone, each one can deliver a unified and consistent experience. Much like Apple's move toward Apple Silicon, HarmonyOS has been built from the ground up with this core idea in mind, and now we're seeing the results in real products. Beyond the seamless experience enabled by HarmonyOS, the MatePad Edge's hardware and cooling system are designed to support both tablet and computer modes equally well. That means no more choosing between power and portability. It's light yet strong, flexible yet efficient. This is the Huawei MatePad Edge HarmonyOS 2-in-1. For the first time, a 2-in-1 device truly delivers on everything it promises. All right, that wraps up today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.